What's going on, guys? So I'm back with another video. I just wanted to do a quick update on my issue I was having with my iPhone XS Max. I did a video where I was having issues with the top speaker. It was not playing. If I power cycled the phone, it would play for a little bit and then it would stop. So went to Apple today, had an appointment. They took my phone and they ran some tests on it, and it only passed like one test. So come to find out, the microphone wasn't working, this speaker wasn't working, there was like two other things that weren't working. I want to say the receiver and something else wasn't working. So it pretty much failed, and they tried to do a software check. Was like, let's see if it was a software issue. They tried to reload some software, and it wouldn't even let them reload the software onto my phone. So needless to say, I got myself a bad phone off the line. Somebody didn't check that phone when they put it in the box. So Apple, being the good company they are, and the fact that I only had the phone for 2 days when I discovered that issue, they gave me a brand new iPhone XS Max. So no complaints there. It was a smooth transition. Obviously with iOS, it's very easy to transfer all your data and get back up and running. So thanks to Apple for taking care of that. Hopefully nobody else is having an issue. I know a couple folks commented on the first video I did. So if you guys are having an issue, my advice is schedule an appointment. Take it to Apple, have them run that check on it, and see if there are any issues with your speaker and with your mics and your receivers, and definitely get it out of the way. If you don't have Apple Care, you definitely want to have that taken care of before you run out of your warranty coverage. And then again, you also want to get in there first, because you don't want to start receiving refurbished phones. Because I straight up, the guy, when they brought this out, I said to him, this is not refurbished, right? Of course he said no, because the box they brought it out in was a thin box. The phone, as you can see, it still has the plastic on it. So let me take this off. So yeah, it still had the plastic on it and everything. So my assumption is that it's new. So I have Apple Care on the phone anyway, so anything goes wrong, they'll take care of it. Anything that happens within the 14-day period, I'll end up returning it anyways. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, let you know how that went. They took care of it. There were definitely issues with the device. And because based on those test results, it definitely failed those tests, and they definitely needed to replace the device. So if you're having an issue, like I said, get down to Apple, find your nearest Apple store, and get that taken care of. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.